So I thought I'd try my hand at doing some resin casting. I've got a few projects I want to try, so I ordered this kit from Amazon. Let's have a look at what's inside. The first item is a set of pipettes to suck up the resin and presumably place it into molds. Then we've got some cups and pouring cups. Then we've got the resin itself. It's a two-part mixed 1-to-1. This pack contains a few different colours of glitter pigments to mix in with your resins. Then we have some colour dyes, 4 different colours. So these basically go in with your resins, but they don't have any glitter, they're just a straight colour pigment. There's a few bags of accessories. These are keyring holders. There's also some earrings and some necklace type straps. Now these are interesting. They're little bottles, which the bottles in themselves are pretty cool, but they contain things like tiny little stars and love hearts and things that you can bed inside of the resin. A pair of tweezers for placing the tiny parts. This looks a bit like gold leaf but with silver, but we have a gold one as well. And then we have the actual silicone molds. So there's 2 trays of molds. They have in this one little inserts for where the earring loops can go through, and it's just a range of different patterns and shapes. Alright, that's the unpacking done. Now to start playing and see what I can actually produce. I've got some plans to do some woodworking things with this, with burnt wood, but I thought I'd just get a beginner's kit to experiment before I jump into something bigger. So keep watching and see what I can produce.